Disney and Halloween share something in common. Both thrive on imagination, wonder, and transformation. When the two come together, decor becomes more than just seasonal style. It becomes storytelling. Disney Halloween decor blends enchantment with playfulness, balancing the spooky with the whimsical. It creates an atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and new, reminding us of childhood tales while inviting us to celebrate the present. Every detail, from color palettes to silhouettes, can carry a sense of magic that feels distinctly Disney. This type of decor is not about fear or gloom, but about charm, joy, and a touch of mystery. It is a way to make Halloween welcoming and enchanting for everyone, young and old alike. A porch, a room, or even a single corner of the home can be transformed into a world where fantasy meets festivity. At its heart, Disney Halloween decor is about weaving storytelling into celebration. Disney's approach to Halloween leans heavily on whimsy, offering a softer, friendlier interpretation of the season. Instead of leaning solely into darkness, it adds humor, cheer, and lighthearted charm. Whimsical characters, cheerful shapes, and playful patterns evoke a sense of joy rather than dread. The presence of bright colors, smiles, and familiar icons turns Halloween into a celebration of fun. This atmosphere makes spaces more inviting, especially for families and gatherings. Whimsy reminds us that Halloween can be about laughter just as much as suspense. It balances the traditional eerie tone with something lighter, keeping the spirit accessible for all ages. By leaning into playfulness, decor can radiate warmth, making even the spookiest corners feel welcoming. Whimsy ensures that the season feels magical, not menacing, embodying the signature Disney charm. If you enjoyed these Disney Halloween decor ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow Disney fans. Shapes are at the heart of Disney decor, instantly recognizable and full of meaning. The famous silhouettes, whether in circular outlines or beloved character forms, bring familiarity and comfort. Symbols can be integrated in subtle ways or placed boldly as focal points. They serve as anchors of recognition, drawing on shared cultural memories and associations. Shapes and symbols also work beautifully with shadows, light, and arrangement, making them versatile in design. A simple outline can suggest a whole story, sparking imagination without overwhelming the eye. When combined with Halloween themes like pumpkins, moons, or stars, these icons bridge the magical with the seasonal. Repetition of shapes establishes rhythm, while variations keep things engaging. Symbols give depth, layering visual cues that appeal to both the eye and the heart. Disney shapes remind us that Halloween decor doesn't need to be frightening to be effective. It can be comforting, playful, and still carry the wonder of the season. Which Disney Halloween theme would you bring home? Classic Mickey pumpkins, haunted mansion vibes, or villains magic? Share your favorite in the comments below. Color plays a powerful role in Disney Halloween decor, shaping both the mood and the message. Traditional Halloween shades, orange, black, purple, and green, are often reimagined in brighter, more whimsical tones. These choices maintain the seasonal feel while softening it into something family-friendly and festive. Atmosphere emerges from the interplay of these colors with lighting and arrangement. Warm hues can highlight areas of focus, while cooler tones can add depth and mystery. This careful balance of brightness and shadow helps create a layered environment. Atmosphere is never left to chance. It is designed to inspire curiosity and delight. In Disney style, colors often carry symbolic meaning, echoing beloved stories and characters. The overall effect is cheerful but still tinged with the magic of Halloween. By focusing on color, decor transforms into more than ornament. It becomes a mood, a feeling, and a shared experience. For more magical and spooky decorating inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more Disney-style ideas. Perhaps the most distinctive element of Disney Halloween decor is its emphasis on storytelling. Every detail feels intentional, contributing to a larger narrative. A porch or a living room can be arranged to suggest a journey, inviting guests into a storybook world. Themes may emerge through repeated motifs, playful contrasts, or imaginative pairings. Storytelling encourages exploration, as visitors discover hidden layers and small details that add richness to the scene. It also makes the decor personal, connecting back to familiar tales or cherished memories. Storytelling gives meaning to shapes, colors, and textures, ensuring they resonate on more than just a visual level. It turns simple arrangements into experiences where each glance reveals something new. In this way, decor moves beyond decoration and becomes performance, a gentle form of theater played out in the everyday space of the home. Want more themed Halloween decor? Check out our Halloween playlist linked below. It's filled with enchanting and spooky ideas. Disney Halloween decor reminds us that Halloween can be more than just eerie or dark. It can be uplifting, whimsical, and full of heart. By weaving together playfulness, iconic shapes, vibrant colors, and storytelling, it creates spaces that celebrate both magic and memory. This approach ensures that the season is accessible and joyful for everyone, while still honoring the traditions of mystery and transformation. A decorated porch or room becomes a place where guests step into a world of imagination. Each detail works in harmony to enchant, delight, and inspire. Disney's unique blend of charm and creativity shows us that Halloween is as much about wonder as it is about spookiness. It is about celebrating the extraordinary within the ordinary. With Disney inspiration, the season becomes not just a moment in time, but an experience of enchantment to be remembered. The joy lies not only in what is seen, but in the feelings it evokes. The laughter of children, the warmth of gatherings, and the spark of nostalgia. The magic is timeless, carrying forward stories that resonate across generations. It reminds us that Halloween is not only about the thrill of the unknown, but also the joy of shared imagination. Enchantment becomes the thread that ties the past and present together, creating moments that linger long after the season fades. Every arrangement, every choice contributes to a larger tapestry of memory and celebration. Spaces feel transformed not by extravagance, but by meaning woven carefully into atmosphere. A sense of belonging rises, as if the decor itself extends a gentle welcome. This is the beauty of Disney's influence, its ability to make the ordinary glow with extraordinary possibility. The spirit of Halloween becomes more than decoration. It becomes an embrace of creativity, wonder, and play. And in that embrace, we discover a reminder. Enchantment lives not just in the stories we watch, but in the moments we create. It is a celebration that transcends age, speaking equally to the child's imagination and the adult's sense of nostalgia. In every corner, there is a quiet promise of discovery, a hidden detail waiting to be noticed. The magic thrives in these subtleties, proving that wonder does not need to be loud to be felt. In the end, Disney Halloween decor leaves us with more than a festive space. It leaves us with an atmosphere of timeless joy,